This video is part of a series of tutorials on how to use the PICOL database. In this video, we will explain what PICOL is and describe the services it offers. The Online Pesticide Information Center, or PICOL, is a cooperative project supported by the Washington State Department of Agriculture, the Oregon Department of Agriculture, Oregon State University, and Washington State University. Its goal is to provide a free, searchable database of all pesticides, including adjuvants, that are registered in Washington and Oregon. The information contained in the database is tailored to users in the Pacific Northwest, so not all crops or application sites will be listed. The electronic labels retrieved from PICOL can only be used for informational purposes. PICOL information has no legal status, whereas the container label is a legal document and must be followed at all times. The PICOL homepage can be found at picol.connors.wsu.edu and is shown here. The most popular service PICOL offers is the ability to search the database for a variety of information listed on product labels. To do this, you should select Searches from the menu on the left. The Quick option takes the user to the Quick Search page. This page has a simple filtered search option on the right, as well as several one-click express searches on the left. The Advanced search option takes the user to a more complex search interface with more filters and customizable search terms. To learn more about searches, check the video description or the help section of our website. The Lookup section has term lists for most searchable categories in PICOL. If your search doesn't return what you need, check the lookup to make sure you are using the correct terms. Everyone has the option of creating a free account. This gives you the ability to personalize your default search filters or request an API key. The API documentation section has information to help developers use the PICOL database with their apps. And finally, the Help section includes frequently asked questions, tutorial videos for how to use the PICOL database, and links to outside information. Hopefully, this has clarified what the PICOL database is and how it can be used. Bear in mind that new features may be added, so things may not look exactly like what you see here. If you have any questions, feel free to email us at picol.info@wsu.edu. You can also scan the QR code located on the screen or watch more of our tutorial videos. For status updates on the database and news about the pest management community, consider checking us out on Twitter at PICOL_MGR or Facebook at WSU.WSPRS. Thank you.